you're watching Gearz, brought to you by Holly Performance Products. Fuel your passion. And Cornwell Tools, the choice of professionals.
In the early 1960s, the hot rod movement was in full swing. Drag strips were springing up all over the place. Hot rods were being built in backyards and roaming the streets at night. And muscle cars were just starting to hit dealerships. Yeah, it was a great time to be a car person. However, as influential as all of that was, there was another phenomenon coming out of Southern California that would hit the automotive world like a fiberglass tsunami. Man, it would completely change the way people buy parts in the aftermarket, and it would create a whole new industry that eventually became known as the kit car industry. Obviously, I'm talking about the Meyers Manx Dune Buggy. Man, who didn't want one of these things? Now, riding up and down on beaches or ripping around on sand dunes is something that hot rod surfer dudes have been doing for years. And the vehicles they used were wild, home-built contraptions that were usually based off of a Jeep or a truck, so they were heavy and they were cumbersome. But that all changed when a surfer with boat building experience named Bruce Meyer created a one-piece, lightweight body out of thick fiberglass and bolted the front and rear suspension and drivetrain from a Volkswagen Beetle to it. And the Fiberglass Dune Buggy was born as the Meyers Manx, and Bruce began offering kits to build one yourself. However, Bruce quickly discovered that using the fiberglass body as a monocoque was too costly to build. So he redesigned the kit so it would bolt down on a shortened Volkswagen Beetle chassis, making construction of a Manx a very simple process for the average person. And kits began to sell. One of the things that made the Dune Buggy so unique is the styling. I mean, you had these big arched fenders back here, so you could put big old tires, whether they were big wide rollers like this or big off-road tires. Then you have seating for up to 5 people, provided those 5 people were fairly small or they hit the salad bar on a regular basis. Then, of course, you had a stance and a face that it just made people smile. I mean, girls thought it was cute, guys thought it was cool, and everybody could agree that this was the ultimate fun-in-the-sun vehicle. Available with a big metal flake buried deep within the gel coat, the 11-piece kit didn't even need to be painted, and for around $500, it became a great personal expression vehicle.